72, 6 times 12. 7 times 12 is Pluto. 5 times 12 is the hour. 4 times 12 is 48, the sun. 3 times 12 is 36, creation. 2 times 12 is the day of God, man. 1 times 12 is alpha, beta. You have a chance to come to life, because that's what game says. That's what the game says. So if you have 6-foot man, right? Man with 6 feet. Every man's got 3 feet. Every man has 3. Every man has 2 feet. Man 6. He's got 6 feet. That means man. Okay, must be 3. 2 feet each. So that means the multiple of anything by God must be 3, and the one he created. God is 3 times, so man becomes 6. God is now 6. They need a day of rest. The one day undivided. I mean, it's not hard. Show me the day of rest. Well, it's pretty simple. Day of rest is right there. It's 6. There's the day of rest. See, I put a split between the two of them. I split them up. Everything begins 2, 3. Look what happens to 4. Gets a corner. Split them up. Split them up. 72 inches. 72 minutes. Okay, is 1 hour 60 plus 12. 12 times 60 is 720 seconds. Everything will go together. What do? I create equations. I create equations. To finish off this one that I went over 5 times, this is all about what's set up on the calculator. 963, 852, 147. After that, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You multiply them, you add them, you subtract them, you do everything you want, but I'm not doing it, I'm doing basic, okay? 7, 29, 27, 2, 16, 18, 27, and 9. 9, add them up, 9, add them up, 9. 18 equals 9. If I multiply this, I get 35 times 6. 1.5 times that is my 9, and then connects into the last video that I did over here, okay? The end number over here, 9 times 35 days, but I'm not going to link them. Just let me do this. 6 days is 216 hours. That's a 9-day period. 24 hours. 18 is your angel hair. 333 becomes 27, 9, 36, 9. This will create 24 and 10. This is your DC. 24 and 10, it's also your vibration. This is your 18 and 9 plugged into the red sun. This is the gateway for F, 6 man. Comes out of your birth. You add them, you add them, you add them. First row is 16, spirit of the half-life of 2 worlds, 9/11. The number is 1026. Down by the ocean. 1026. 626 minutes. To the 7th gate, it's only Mars, because 5 and 1 equals to 77. This one over here is already 7. All zeros bring in man, because on the day he landed, that was day 1. X marked the spot. There he is. Now we want to do in section number 2, creation, the 6 man. God, 6 man, 3, 6, 63 moons on Jupiter. 0 equals 6 becomes 60, if you want. I'll now have 9 here. But 24 and 30, 24 and 30, 7, 8, 9, 24. 2 and 1 is 3. 54, the number to the sun. That's what's created right over here. That's the addition from 9. This is what 9 does. 9 does this, 1026. 10 star. The Venus, Saturn, man 6. The B world is 6. 16 to the light. The vibration. Gateway to F. When you bring in this one over here, 36. So now we're going to bring back the balance of these numbers. Totals. 7, 56, 234, 36 are all these 3 and all these 3. Now the total is, okay, add up 54 to over here, okay, and you have a total of 1,080 or 1080. 1080, 108. 3 times 36 is 108. That is your 3 times for the 6 legs that man was born with. 3 people in 1. 3 situations, however you want to work at it. 2 legs will always be next to each other, right? Groups, we have 3 men, 6 legs, and it's all in groups of 2s. How many groups do you have? You have 3 groups. You have 3 groups, but each man has 2 groups. So if each man have 2 groups of 2 legs, okay, each man has 2 groups of 2 legs, okay, each man has 2 groups of 2 legs. I have 2, you have 2, he has 2. That's 6. But in between us, okay, I'm connected to you and him. You're connected to me and him. He's connected to him and him. That's 6, okay? But my left foot and my right foot are connected to his left foot and his right foot. Okay? That's 1, 2, 3. Actual connects. 1, 2, 3. You have all the legs. My leg attaches together with his 2. My other leg connects together with his 2. And his leg connect together with another 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It only takes 4 connects to connect 6 legs. But I connected 2, 4, and 6. It's 6 and 4, 6 and 4 to connect these legs. So now we have 2, 5, and 8. 2 becomes 14 and 2 becomes, this over here becomes el pay, the record. 80 and 60. When I said 1080, what does it mean 1080? Or highway 10 and highway 80? The low highway and the high highway, right? The low highway and the high highway of the USA. 1080, okay, is 80, which means the 10 star of 420. 1.5 times the cycle. Communication. 80 is communication. It's all about communication. 80, communication in time 60. 10 is me sending out a wave. 10 is you sending out a wave. Together the waves come back. We're both valued at 60. 125 is 5 and 5. 140 and 10. 250 and 30. 280. This one is 888, 512 memory. In the day of man, the 24 hours. 536. 1024. 48. DC again, connected. 888 connects DC. It's pretty complicated, because I'm just throwing out numbers. That's all it seems that I'm doing. I'm not happy with this video. Just want to make the final addition. All the multiples on top is 512, 637, 645. 456, the Federation. This one over here says 21, the cube. Okay? 666, 666, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, all the multiplications. Multiplication, 7, 9, 16, 18 is 9. 9, 9. This one comes out to 888. The other group, 147, will come out to 777. So now 666, and the opposite on a dice cube. 3 and 4. 2 3s or 2 4s, okay, will be 6 and 8. 3 and 4 are opposites, so 2 4s is 8, 2 3s is 6. So DC works with the same numbers. The heaven connect, the day of the half-life, because 6 comes in like this. See the cross? The greatest diameter. Connect them, it becomes the cross. The cross becomes the plus sign, right? Right? The cross becomes a plus sign, but it's actually creating the multiple sign. Because by putting the dice cube on this slant, and this slant, if I put 2 cubes next to each other, I create an hourglass, which is an X. I keep it this way, okay? That's the real crossing, but it's square. This one is not on the cross. This is on the cross, straight up and down. So now I'm going to finish off with this. This was 645, and this was 21 and 24. 45, 690, rotation, 690. 690 and 1080, 1680, 1760. 1760, between 258, 749 is 1760. The final paper, 1760. Here we're going to 21, 33, 36, 1760, 1796, 1797, 1783, 1783 and 60, 1783 plus 60 equals 1843 plus 343 equals 2186. I'd have to think what that is. That's probably can be standing for the same number as 7286, being that 1 is the creation of the 2-1 world. This is representation of the F. 5 and 6 will create 77, 98, and 21 reverse. 32 reverse, the BC world. So it depends. 8 and 6 is 101. 1 and 8, the world is 2 and 6, right? The B creation of 6 man, which is 9 and 9. The three-legged man. The three-legged man. Raphael, I'm not happy with this video. Thank you for watching. So this is the 1 area, right? 343, 408. If we took away 408 and take away 36, 408 minus 36 equals to 372. Creation of man 6. 6 by 12, 72, right? Man is 6. Creator is Abba. 1, 2, 2, 1. So 6 times 12 is 72. Creator is 3. 3 times 72, 216. 216 divided by 24 is 9 days of the Mayan count. Raphael, I really like what I said, but I don't like the way I said it, so just chalk it up as another video on board to clean it up. Thank you.